In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change the language in Notion step by step. Whether you're using Notion for work, study, or personal projects, switching the interface language can make the app much easier and more comfortable to use. This works on both desktop and web versions of Notion, and it only takes a few clicks. Before we jump in, if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Notion and make sure you're logged into your account. You can do this from your browser or the desktop app. Once Notion is open, look toward the top left corner of the screen. Here, you'll see your workspace name along with a small arrow icon next to it. Go ahead and click on that arrow. This opens the main workspace menu, where you can access settings and other important options. Next, in the menu that appears, click on Settings. This will take you to Notion's Settings panel, where you can control how the app looks and behaves. Take a moment to get familiar with this area, because many useful customization options live here. Once you're inside Settings, look for the option called Preferences. Click on Preferences to continue. This section controls things like appearance, language, and other personal settings tied to your account rather than a specific page or workspace. Now, inside Preferences, find the Language option. Click on Language and you'll see a drop-down or list appear showing all the available languages that Notion currently supports. Notion offers a wide range of languages, so you can choose the one that works best for you. Scroll through the list and click on your preferred language. As soon as you select it, Notion will automatically update the interface to the new language. You don't need to restart the app or refresh the page, because the change applies instantly. After switching the language, take a few seconds to look around and make sure everything appears correctly. Menus, buttons, and settings should now be displayed in the language you selected. If you ever want to change it back or switch to a different language, you can follow the exact same steps again. And that's it. You've successfully changed the language in Notion in just a few simple steps. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Notion tips, productivity guides, and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.